Hello, everyone. I would like to give you a little bit more guidance on the primary spelling inventories. This is a completed feature guide for the primary spelling inventory. There's also an inventory for the elementary spelling inventory, depending on which one you gave. How you score this, you look at what the student wrote for the word fan. My little friend Vinny, he correctly got F, the N, and the A. So that's why there is a check mark there. The same way with pet. The initial consonant, the final consonant, and the short vowel. As I look down this initial consonant column, I see that Vinny correctly identified all of those initial consonants. So he has a 7 out of 7. If I do the same thing with the final consonants, he has a 7 out of 7. Short vowels, 7 out of 7. Now, when you look down here after you've totaled your check marks, if a student misses 1 or 2, you can go on to the next feature. For example, let's say that Vinny had scored a 5 out of 7. Then I could go ahead and look at the final consonant features. If he missed 3 of the final consonants, then that's where I'm going to begin instruction, would be with final consonants. So if they miss 3 or more, that is the feature that you're going to focus on. Vinny correctly identified digraphs, blends. He did not have any trouble until he got to long vowel patterns. And this is where he struggled. He only got 3 of the 7. So this is where I begin focusing instruction. Long vowel patterns. Now we know that Vinny is a second grader. I have the date that I gave it. The number of words that he spelled correctly. I have a check mark beside those. My check mark should go over here to show that he had 11 of 26 words. You don't need to worry about counting the feature points. You can if you would like and put that in there. What is important is that you get the spelling stage, which he is early within word pattern, and the feature is long vowel patterns. I hope that this helps you further in completing the feature guides. If it doesn't, please message me and we can set up a telephone call to go over it with you. So the check marks are what the child got correct. The spelling stage is where I'm beginning instruction with Vinny. And I know it's early within word pattern because he only got 3 of 7. And the feature I know is long vowels. It's right there. So when I go to our textbook, I can look up activities for long vowel patterns. Or I can look on, I can just Google long vowel patterns. If you have access to a Words Their Way textbook, there's all kinds of activities in there for long vowel patterns that you can do your lessons in your tutor sessions. Because what we're doing in class is what you're going to tutor your student with. So again, if you have any questions, please let me know and we can set something up. Thank you.